Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluent AF Academy. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important and versatile preposition in Spanish. So I don't know if you remember this or if you saw the videos, but on the last two videos we saw con, that means with, we saw sin, that means without, and today it's the turn of de. First thing that you should know about de doesn't have only one translation into English, means 5 different things. Now, first one, of, then from, about, concerning, by, or made of. Now, first example, of, for possession or relationships. As an example, el libro de Juan, Juan's book. Second one, from origin or provenance. As an example, soy de España. Third one, about or concerning. For topics. For example, hablemos de política. Sorry, hablamos de política. Means we talk about politics. Dangerous topic actually. Then can means buy un cuadro de Picasso, a painting by Picasso. And last example, made of. Made of. For composition, una mesa de madera, a table made of wood. So I know that sounds a little bit difficult at first, but don't worry, we are going to see more examples and you will understand it better. Let's see one by one all the meanings of de in English. First one, it's used to show possession. It's similar to the English S. For example, el libro de María, Maria's book. Another example, la casa de Juan, Juan's house. So whenever we want to show that something belongs to someone, we use de in Spanish. It's important not confuse it when en or con, because that changes the meaning completely. For example, el coche en Juan makes no sense, and el coche con Juan means something completely different, like Juan is with the car, so 0 sense actually. Second, de indicates contents. For example, un vaso de agua, a glass of water, una bolsa de manzanas, a bag of apples. Her de tells us what is inside or what it contains. Another example, una caja de chocolates, a box of chocolates. This use is very common in everyday life, from food to objects. Now, third, de shows origin or source. When we want to say where someone or something comes from, we use de. For example, in my case, again, soy de España, I'm from Spain. Este vino es de Francia, this wine is from France. Simple, right? But very important because it appears in many everyday sentences. Now, fourth one, for de, indicate topic or subject. For example, hablamos de política, we talk about politics. El libro de historia, the history book. When we want to explain what something is about, we always use de. Another example, la película de aventuras, the adventure movie. Her de connects the object with its them or content. Now, fifth, de is used for material or composition. For example, una mesa de madera, a wooden table. Un anillo de oro, a gold ring. In English, we often use adjectives, but in Spanish, we use de to say what something is made of. Another example, zapatos de cuero, leather shoes. Very useful for describing objects. Now, let's look at common expressions with de, because Spanish has many of them. For example, tener ganas de means to feel like, liking. Tengo ganas de comer, I feel like eating. Cansado de, tired of, as in, estoy cansado de esperar, I'm tired of waiting. Then we have lleno de, full of, like la caja está llena de juguetes. The box is full of toys. Orgulloso de, proud of. For example, estoy orgulloso de ti. I'm proud of you. Those expressions appears all the time and are the key to sounding natural. A common mistake is confusing de with other prepositions. For example, pienso en ti. I think about you. But pienso de ti is usually incorrect. Another example, hablar de algo. To talk about something. And hablar sobre algo. Also to talk about something. But be careful, don't say hablar en algo because it doesn't make sense. But don't worry about en. I will explain it on another video better. De can also be used for comparations and relationships. For example, más grande de lo esperado, bigger than expected. Peor de lo normal, worse than usual. Her de connects the objects with their reference of comparison. Another example, el mejor de la clase, the best in the class. That's all the theory that I can give you. Here's a quick practice. I want you to translate this. El perro de mi hermano. Una taza de té. Soy de Madrid. Hablamos de ciencia. Let me know in the comments the results. And well, guys, that's pretty much all for today. It's a really quick video. I want to make the videos like very easy to understand because I know that learning a new language is complicated. I really hope that you understand everything. If you didn't understand it very well or something, let me know on the comments, or you have my email and I can teach you for free basically. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and as always, have a lovely day. Oh, and help me actually, if you think that the video was good, remember to share the video with your friends. Big kiss and see you in the next one. Bye.